Let's clean the microwave today with plain water and lemon. Look at the food splatter inside. Someone didn't cover the food when they reheat. Now let's preheat it in 1 minute and 45 seconds or 2 minutes. And then while waiting, you can enjoy your coffee. And then when it's done, just wait another more minute to moisten all the hard food splatter around it. Now let's wipe it with paper towel and then a clean bath cloth and wipe every corner. Easy and no cleaning solutions. After wiping every corner, let's wash this plate. And then rinse it good.